Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wonder how to get that perfect boiled egg? It's easier than you think, and they're such a fantastic, healthy addition to so many dishes. Whether for breakfast, a salad, or just a quick snack, mastering this basic skill opens up a world of possibilities. Get ready to cook up some perfectly creamy or wonderfully firm eggs, exactly how you like them. So, what do you need to start? Just a few kitchen basics. You'll want a pot large enough for your eggs to sit in a single layer without crowding. Then, simply add your eggs, ensuring they are covered by at least 1 inch of cold water. And don't forget your timer. It's key for hitting that ideal consistency you're aiming for. Once your eggs are carefully nestled in the pot, pour in enough cold water to cover them completely, by at least 1 inch. Now, place that pot on your stove over high heat. Watch for the water to come to a full, rolling boil. As soon as it hits that point, you're ready for the next crucial step in creating those delicious, perfectly cooked eggs. As soon as the water reaches a full boil, turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let the eggs sit. For a soft-boiled egg, set your timer for 6 minutes. For a perfectly medium-boiled, aim for 8 minutes, and for a firm, hard-boiled egg, give it 10 minutes. The moment that timer rings, carefully transfer your eggs straight into a bowl of ice water. This crucial step stops the cooking and also makes peeling so much easier. Now for the final step, peeling. Gently tap your cooled egg on a hard surface, then lightly roll it to create tiny cracks all over the shell. You can even peel it under cool, running water. This helps the shell slip right off. And there you have it, a perfectly boiled egg, ready to be enjoyed however you like. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.